In this short video, I will tell you my opinion about what you should sell as a business to your clients. And it's dark, and I need to go home, so let's get started. So in my opinion, selling the right products to the right group, to the right audience is absolutely essential. And for years I've been kind of wanting to sell what I thought is going to be feasible, what's going to be viable for my clients. And as it turned out, more and more, now that I'm asking people what they want, they're telling me slightly different things. In the sense that I'm still making bespoke, made-to-measure, custom suits and shirts, but now started to offering ready-to-wear stuff. And ready-to-wear is really an easier version of tailoring and of suits than a made-to-measure, because usually you have got one appointment where you put suits on people, pin them, and then actually adjust it so it's actually perfectly suited for them. And the process is pretty straightforward. And for years I've been kind of not wanting to touch it because, in my opinion, it was a lot less worthy. You know, I was better than ready to wear. But as I grow up and as I kind of become more and more mature in my business, I realized that a lot of people don't want to wait 4 weeks, you know, for their suits to be ready. They want to have something ready now, and that's where kind of the ready to wear comes in. And if you are in the same line of business as I am, you should consider having ready to wear, because the amount of people that had to turn down before not having ready to wear versus right now what I do offer that is astounding. So in the near future, I'm going to be releasing also a product that you'll be able to see, and I'm going to be sharing here on my YouTube as well, so be able to buy it directly here. Probably you're going to be one of the first audiences to actually see it, so it's going to be related to Liverpool Football Club, and I can't wait to show you this, but it's not ready yet, so we have to wait. But you know my links to Liverpool Football Club, right? You know that I'm a personal tailor of Roberto Firmino. You probably know this already. It's nothing to do with me actually wearing red today, but that's what it is. Ready to wear, my friends. If you're in this business, think about finding a good supply for ready to wear and just execute. I'm sitting here in Costa in Liverpool, just finishing on some of my work before I go and see the family tonight. I can't wait to see my daughter and my wife tonight. So yes, this is me talking to you about what you should be doing as a business. Listen to your clients and see how many opportunities you actually missed because you didn't have the right product. And I still offer custom, I still offer bespoke, I still offer made to measure, because some of my clients wouldn't touch ready to wear. But your average Joe, your average bloke, instead of going to a high street, they should come to you because they trust you, they like you, they've seen you doing things for a number of years now online. It's just easy for them to choose you. So let them do that. Offer something that they can easily have. Signing off from Liverpool. Take care.